So to take your string off and your limb tips, you'll need the provided cable here. And the first thing you do is move that pin. And this part's a bit tricky. You're gonna wanna get the string on this side. So now it's in the hooks. And in order to move it, you just pull it back with your fingers a little bit and get these hooks out of their slots. Now we can push string forward. Now we're going to put this back on. And string this on outside of your string. Here like this. And cock the bow. Now your string is loose. You can remove this string. Actually, I think we have to remove this in. Now we're going to decock the bow. To do that, it goes up like this, and you're going to depress the trigger where the trigger depresses. Make sure you have this up against your body and you feel comfortable because it's going to pull this back. Once you've done that, you can remove your limb tips and replace them if you need to. And for stringing, you do the same thing in the opposite order. To replace the string, you're going to use the provided cable and place it on the upper notch on the limb tips. Feed it through. Put it on the same way on this side. And you're going to make sure that the hooks are catching the string as you cock it. Cock it. Okay, now we're going to place the string. It's important that you feed it through the inside of the loop here. Also, be careful not to put your fingers in the way of the string in case something bad happens. Kind of like I just did. Okay, and then on this side, just like this. And then there's a little cutout here. That's where your string needs to be so that when you go to decock, the hooks travel over the string. We're now going to decock. I'll put the stock against my body so that I can hold the weight of the bow. And I push this button up here, which is what the trigger depresses. And that lets the string go. And I slowly let it off. Now, you'll notice the string is on the wrong side of the hooks. So we'll remove the front piece. And totally close the gun. Pop these up. And push it behind the string there. Remove the cable. And you're good to go. To cock it, you have to be in this position with the switch there. And then if you want to lower the string without taking a shot, you support the bow. I put it in my armpit here and then push this down. and let the string back.